Okay, so now we're gonna get ready to make it. I have everything that you will need. I will link it below. You can find all of this at your local Mexican store or at Target, which is, everybody has a Target, I'm hoping, or a Walmart. So you can find all of these stuff. So this has been here for about a little over 4 hours actually. And you can kind of see the cup and then a little bit of water. Okay, and now we're gonna get to do it. I am using the Vitamix, which, oh my, if you can get this, please, please, you will thank me later. It is amazing. And go ahead, fill it up to about what, 16 ounces of water. Okay, so funny story, I've made agua de horchata before. However, this time I actually made it an accident. I accidentally put this in, which I have never done. I usually just use this. You don't need this. You do need the cinnamon stick, but yeah, you usually, with this 3 things and the rice, you're good to go. However, one day I accidentally put this in thinking it was this, and then I saw that it was this, and I was like, I hope it doesn't taste like shit. I am gonna just add this one on and see how it tastes. Well, guess what, guys? It tasted better than ever before, so I accidentally made it. Before I forget, please, oh my, please remember to wash your cans, because I cannot begin to tell you how nasty they are. Everyone touches them, and then you're gonna be touching it and opening it, like around here, like dirt or I don't know what it was, gets stuck, and I literally have to scrape it. So please remember, guys, to wash them. Hey, okay, so this is what we will need. We will need to put the cup of rice, water, la lechera or condensed milk, media crema, evaporated milk, and a little bit of vanilla extract. We need a strainer, blender, and that is about it. Okay, guys, you guys remember how you guys saw me add the big piece and then like a whole bunch of little pieces? Well, I took off the big piece and I only left a little bit. Honestly, look, you can see it's like very, very little amount. I'm gonna let it blend with, okay? So feel free to take it off and only leave a little bit, because then you can taste the cinnamon at the end, and it's kind of like, you don't really need that. Okay, now I'm gonna add everything. So the whole entire can. We're gonna add it all. So good. I'm sorry if you are on keto or any actually type of diet. You cannot have it. Honestly, like, I make it so much because my sister and my daughter love it. They beg me to make this, but I try to only have a little bit. Anyway, so the media crema, it's saying that in English it's table cream. I googled and googled to see like what is it called in English, because table cream, I don't know, I've never heard of that. Okay, you don't have to put this at all. However, I am going to add a very, you know what, let me use this as a measurement. We are gonna do, let me see, half of the cap, and then you put it all to blend. I got this gallon pitcher at the dollar store, guys. There is no excuse. It holds 1 gallon of horchata, and that's what I use. So now it's done. I haven't put any water in here yet. We're gonna go ahead and strain it. And this is why I love the blender, because it's literally going through like nothing, because it blends so good. I recommend it to all my friends. And I will throw this back in here. I will add more water. And then I would blend that and strain it again and put it in there. You fill the rest to get to the gallon of water. Don't add ice to it. Please add ice to your cup so that it doesn't get watered down. Okay, and then you just stir it. And then you can do your test yourself. Don't put the spoon back in there after you try it, please. Don't be gross. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Okay, now it's your turn. You gotta tell me. This is my sister and Ari's favorite drink. How is it this time?
Bomb.
Right?
I like it.
So Ari here is gonna be our try tester today, and she's gonna tell me. Try it, mommy.
It's actually not that bad.
Audio Jungle.